The Breville Barista Express needs to be back flush to keep on making great tasting espresso. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, the channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. In today's video, I'll go through the back flush process on my Barista Express. This process eliminates coffee residue and oils from the group head, valves, and lines. For my machine, which is an older Barista Express, the Clean Me light will turn on solid to indicate the cleaning back flush cycle is needed. For slightly newer machines with the descale text under the Clean Light label, the Clean Light will flash instead. By the way, there's also a descaling process on these machines, which is different. I'll put a link to a video I did on the descaling process here and below in the description. For this back flush cleaning process, we need a cleaning tablet. These are Breville branded ones. There are also third-party tablets which are much cheaper. I'll put links to both in the description below. Let's get started. First, insert the 1-cup filter basket into the portafilter, followed by the cleaning disc. The cleaning disc that came with my machine has a hole in the middle for water to flow out of. Some cleaning discs don't, but both will work. Place the cleaning tablet in the center. Then lock the portafilter into the group head and place a large container beneath the portafilter spouts. Make sure the water tank is filled with cold water and the drip tray is empty. If the machine is on, press the power button to switch the machine off first. Then press and hold the 1-cup, 2-cup buttons and the power button simultaneously. Hold all 3 buttons together for about 10 seconds. The cleaning cycle will start and last for about 5 minutes. During this time, water will intermittently flow from the portafilter spouts. If your cleaning disc doesn't have a hole in the middle, water will just go into the drip tray from the back. When the cleaning cycle is complete, there'll be a couple of beeps. There they are. And the Clean Me light goes away. Remove the portafilter to see if the tablet has completely dissolved. If the tablet has not completely dissolved, repeat until the tablet is gone. Lastly, let's do a final rinse of the coffee component. You can see the result of the back flush cleaning. Let's dump this out. We can now rinse out the portafilter and wipe down the machine. That's it. Remember, the machine also needs to be descaled from time to time, so check out my video on the descaling process link below. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please help me by smashing the like button and share. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, cherish each moment.